Okay, part two, property cleanup in Naples, and we just finished. Excited to show you what it looks like. Perhaps from the camera, it's not a big deal, but wow, it was dirty. Let me show you. Let's turn this around. So now you can see actual plants over there and not weeds. Trimmed a little tree over there, some shape over here. Now our grass is shorter than the neighbors. And then let me show you here on the side. All of that area right here was pretty overgrown. So we got it all nice and cleaned up. We trimmed these arecas back a little bit so the homeowners can walk through with no problem. Same thing with this little tree here. And then we just trimmed this area a little bit so it looks cleaner. This homeowner wanted to keep the vines. They're trying to hide that fence. Trim that tree a little bit, lift it up. And then this tree right here had a bunch of branches that basically they would hit you in the face if you walk through them. Trim that over there. And of course we got everything mowed. Picked up as much debris from here as we could. The bark from the tree. We mulched most of it with the machine, the big stuff we picked up. And we are all set. Another happy customer. And we are excited to have you watching these videos. Thanks for sticking around. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. And if you need landscaping, lawn maintenance, 239-289-6338. And that is Lawnzcapes. See you in the next one.